They say no one can control the weather. But what if that was no longer true? What if artificial intelligence could shape clouds, redirect storms, and fine-tune rainfall with mathematical precision? It sounds impossible, but it's already happening. This is Incognito Future Lab, where the future speaks in code. For centuries, humanity has tried to command the sky. From rain dances to rockets that seed clouds with chemicals, we've always searched for ways to bend nature's mood. But now AI has entered the equation, and it's changing everything. It began with prediction. AI systems trained on decades of climate data learned to forecast not days, but minutes ahead with stunning accuracy. Unlike traditional models, which simulate countless variables, AI learns directly from reality, temperature, humidity, pressure, satellite imagery, processing millions of weather patterns faster than any human team could. But prediction was just the beginning. Researchers soon realized that prediction leads to influence. If you can model how weather forms, you can nudge it. You can find the smallest atmospheric changes that ripple into storms, heat waves, or rainfall, the butterfly effect guided by machine learning. In China, scientists tested systems that used AI to guide weather modification drones, targeting specific regions for rainfall control. In the UAE, algorithms manage fleets of cloud-seeding aircraft that release electrical charges instead of chemicals to generate rain. In the United States, researchers use deep learning models to design smarter strategies for wildfire suppression, manipulating humidity and wind direction with data-driven precision. But the next phase is where it gets even more extraordinary. AI is no longer just responding to weather, it's creating scenarios. Supercomputers now simulate billions of environmental possibilities to predict how altering one variable might prevent droughts or soften hurricanes. These aren't wild guesses, they're rehearsals for the planet. In one experiment, an AI model successfully designed a rainfall pattern that restored moisture balance across a drought region without human interference. It wasn't luck, it was logic. By analyzing years of satellite imagery and atmospheric reactions, it learned how to speak the language of the sky. But power like this comes with deep responsibility. If an AI can influence rainfall, what stops it from being used as a weapon? Could weather control become the next arms race? Imagine one nation flooding its farmlands while another faces drought. The ethical storm could be even greater than the natural one. And yet, despite the fear, this technology also offers hope. Imagine redirecting storms before they destroy cities, cooling heat waves before lives are lost, preventing famine by managing rainfall in precision farming regions. If guided wisely, AI could become nature's partner instead of its opponent. Still, there's one truth scientists keep repeating: the more we control nature, the more we must respect it. AI doesn't replace the Earth systems, it learns from them. It's not here to dominate the weather, but to understand it at a level we never could. So maybe the question isn't, can AI control the weather? Maybe it's, should we? Because once we hold the code to the clouds, every decision becomes global. This is Incognito Future Lab, uncovering the intelligence shaping our world. Subscribe, share your thoughts below, and join us as we explore the future, one storm at a time.